Welcome back to my channel. Ito na pala ang ating shoutout at saka movie channel promotion. Ito pumunta ating mga channel niyo ito. This is my part 2 sa Okoy Eating Contest. Charot. Ito si Ma'am Shen yung kung ano yun, ipipictures kay video pictures. Kasi siya yung hindi lang sa member, idol natin to. Saka very malapit sa kuan Diyos. Mabait talaga si Ma'am Shen. It's very generous person. Then very talented. Anyway, pretend ang kanyang kanta. Kahit anong kanta. Ito. Kahit luma o ano. Ito. Greatest love of all. Ito siguro si natin ang Greatest Love of All by Ma'am Shen. Piano salon. At saka guys, gusto niyo maging member ng YouTube family ko. Ito dalawa lang kasi yung member ko, ito yung member ko si number one is Ma'am Fatima. Yan, si Ma'am Fatima Shahida Abdullah. Pag member ko, yan, piniplay ko yun. I'm playing right now, Ma'am Fatima Shahida, 4 hours. 4 hours to. Yan, 4 hours and 50 minutes. Nasa 1 hour na ako. Na-post ko tuloy. Anyway. Shout out talaga. I-shout out ko yung mga member ko in the opening of my vlog. Okay, shout out Ma'am Fatima Shahida. I'm playing your video now, 4 hours. And then this is my new member, Turn From Life. Thank you for your support. Thanks. $5. $5 Okay. Hindi ma-open na. Dito ko titingnan yung profile. Ma'am Shen is playing right now. It's on our television. May light taas. Ganda na ko. Ayos. Tapos may pagkain pa. Pati nanood na. We're watching live concert from Ma'am Shen while eating. Charot. We're just like in the restaurant, watching pianist. Then taking a buffet and then listening to the music of greatest pianist in Korea, in the world, Ma'am Shen. Okay, let's do the shout out mo yung mga member ko. Yan. This is my member, si Ma'am Fatima Shahida. Yan. Si Drawn From Life, member ko yan. Araw-araw, daily, I will play them videos, lot of videos. Then shares on member ko. That's my member. I will share them, pin them, shout out, then yun lang. Tapos pinipictures ko yun sa sa TV natin, sa big screen for promotion. Like Ma'am Shen, no? Hindi ko member yan, pero 100% member ko pa rin yan. Adopted. Charot. Okay, at saka ito yung mga adopted member ko. Sana magpamembro na kayo. I think you should be you should apply to be my member. Si Pink 96 Lover, adopted member of my channel. That's why I kept him promoting your channel. Okay, now let's do the rock. Let's do the shout out. Yan si Ma'am Shen. Galing. Okay. Ito si Noise 987. Okay, Noise 987. Shout out. Yan, kumakanta siya non-stop karaoke song. Grabe. Sana Non-stop Grabe ka ha. Joke lang Kaya mo yan. So shout out Nurse. Dito marami din ito yung shout out natin. May punta. Ito si Kuan. Shout out natin din yung si Ken Wigger, another ancient gamer. Shout out my friend. I will feature you later after mention. Okay. This is his Kuan game. Ito si Kuan Wigger. Okay. So, diyan lang kayo. Then, later, shout out tayo later. So, shout out tayo. Cortland Travel. Shout out my friend. Amy Place, shout out. Yan si Ma'am Susana J yan. Galing yan. Shout out Ma'am Susana J. Ito si Caberna J. Shout out. Okay. That's for now. Let's eat muna. So, play tayo konti. Play tayo ng isang video. Ito si Ma'am. Shout out ito si Ma'am. Honey Homes at saka pictures kan mga yan si Ma'am Honey Homes. Shout out. Saka i-play ko siya ng isang video. Yung hindi ko pa na pizza. Kita ko na lahat ito lang. So, tapos na si Ma'am Shen. Ayan. So, play din tayo kay ito Shen Friendship. Sa kanya itong panahon na to. So, nagka-play na ako kay Ma'am Homemade Delicious. Okay, si Honey Homes. Yan. Okay, kain mo tayo guys. Yung kuhaan ko, sira. So, ito tayo ngayon, kumakain. Meron tayong rice. Si Ma'am siya, no? Start na. Grabe sarap. While eating, I'm watching Ma'am Shen music. Yan. So let's go to part 2. Ito si Ma'am Honey Homes. Happy Homes. Kuhaan pa siya. Naka-ads pa.